YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to build a RAG chatbot with the knowledge assistant in the Databricks. So guys, basically Databricks Knowledge Assistant is the part of the agent bricks that allow you to build the production grade and low code retrieval augmented generated chatbot directly inside your workspace. This feature is completely automated with a traditional complex RAG. For this guys, first of all, you option A is prepare your data in the Unity log. Before opening the knowledge assistant, ensure your files are indicate or stored securely within the Databricks ecosystem. Guys, option A is raw files. So if you want to upload the raw files, so you just go here for data injection, where you upload your unstructured files, your PDF text into the Unity catalog, and ensure your documents are clean and well structured for the highest retrieval accuracy. Second thing is guys, option B is pre-existing vector search index. If you already have searchable crops, and make sure it is configured using the Databricks native GTE large embedding model or is actively synced with your Databricks vector search. Also create and configure the agent. For this, open your Databricks workspace and navigate to the agent in the left panel. So guys, here you see you check the Genic agent, and after that you guys give your agent clear and unique identifier, description, knowledge, add your data sources. Simply go here, give new name like go here, create, give new name like new agent. If you find, then you can choose your workspace. Then provide the natural language guidelines, specify with the chatbot tone whether it must be strictly site source and how to handle the out of scope and ambiguous questions. Then Databricks will spin up and automate your pipelines to ingest and segment and embed a index your data. Last thing is guys, test and iterate. So once building phase is complete, verify your agent performance before rolling it out. After that, you improve the quality with the examples and deploy and operationalize. When your RAG chatbot meet to the production quality standard, deploy it to make it universal accessible. So this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you.